Hello, hi everyone, welcome to Crossblog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Our update today is about my beautiful olori Mariam Anako, ìyàwó ọba ogunwusi, ọba Ọjájá second. Yes, we all know who Mariam is. They call her yeye, some people call her different things, but as the way they introduce her, they always call her the one and only yeye for now. Yes, and as you can see in this video, the capture says Ooni of Ife's wife, Queen Mariam Ogunwusi, was declared number one by K1 the ultimate. We all know who came on the ultimate. Wasiu. Now when Wasiu don't talk, Oti confirm here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, drop your comment down below. And as you can see in this video, she's gorgeously dressed. She loves her white dresses with a gold set, just dripping. And see the way she's spending money. You know when billionaires are spending money. But what I don't understand is the person she's spraying there is iyalaje. We all know the saga that went few days ago that the iyalajes, they busted the iyalaje where she was talking about the oloris on live voice notes. So I don't understand why Queen Mariam Anako will be with her to again. Is it that one showed you Rawani, or is she trying to just pretend like she didn't hear it, or nobody sent it to her? Because I don't understand. You can see her now spraying Wasiu, and I like the way she's doing. Her own way is very simple, She's just bringing out the dollar, one after the other. When you are rich, you don't be jumping around, be doing biggie. But it's like in this, as we can see it in this video, it looks like Mariam Anako and iyalaje, they are kind of close. So is it that because Mariam Anako is a mature lady, she wants to put a deaf ear to the voice notes? Because I don't understand. Because when you've heard this thing, there's not which area will like jambek in Shegon. There shouldn't be any, but because she's matured, I feel in my own perspective, in my own opinion, I feel because she's mature, she's just taking her time because she wasn't there when the video was recorded, or maybe she just wants to overlook it, or maybe she's just like, don't worry, iyalaje, I'm going to deal with you. There are some women like that. They'll be laughing with you. Inside them, they are giving you, they are setting a trap for you how to get you. And that is what that's what I think. Because see the way iyalaje is even smiling like nothing happened. Hey, please drop a comment. How in your mouth funny like you? After everything she has said, I even like the way Mariam, she's spraying everybody around there. Oh my God. When you are blessed, you are blessed. And when and all the Ooni of Ife's wives, all the oloris, they are all well to do. They are doing fantastically well, And do you also know that Mariam Anako, she has her own way as well. She does charity as well. She gives the widowers as well. As you can see her in this picture, she's in the midst of the widows, presenting them their gifts. See the way she's appreciating the old mothers, I want yawa. I like that. You can see the expression, the genuinity that no, she wants to do this. Some people do it maybe because of camera, but you can see her expression. And in this other picture, you can see them also praying for her. It's good. I like what all these oloris are doing, because all of them, they all have their own charity. They all have a way of giving back to to the society, to people around them. And we all know that Ooni of Ife too is good in that. He loves to give back to the society as well. And you can see Mariam in this picture. She looks so beautiful. I think she loves white. She's always wearing white. She loves white. And she looks good with it. She's always, her own is very calm, with the jab lace, very sitting like, okay, I'm the number one. I'm declared now. Nothing is going to happen. I'm yeye, But wait a minute. Drop a comment. Why is it that Ooni of Ife love fair skin, light skin ladies? Kilo de. It's only that is a dark person among them. You can see her on Mariam as well in this picture. She and her husband, Ooni of Ife, Oh, and Oni looks happy anyway in this picture. They look happy together. Anyway, wish them all the best. We all know now that since K1 has declared Mariam the number one, since he declared that the number one, I hope it's not going to cause problem. I hope it's not going to cause rift between the oloris. Okay. Anyway, please drop a comment. And I'm sure in our previous video, you saw the capture, the way Ashley was behaving towards Olori Aderonke, like they're close, and you can see the way Aderonke too, her body, her countenance when she saw Olori Temitope, the way they gave them, there wasn't like good vibes, but anyway, we are the online in-laws. We can only analyze and say whatever we see, and I hope you have enjoyed our update today. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Stay tuned.